Are you tired of the daily grind? Want to make money online with minimal effort? In this video, we'll reveal 3 proven, no-nonsense methods to make money online with minimal effort. These methods are perfect for those looking to earn extra income without the hassle. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products and earning a commission for each sale. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer support. To succeed, choose the right niche, find quality products, and use effective promotion strategies. You can create an e-store on Amazon to boost up your dollars. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. It's easy to start. You can set up an online store quickly without large upfront investments. To begin, find reliable suppliers, create a user-friendly website, and market your products effectively. For example, you can create a website on app like Shopify to make some earnings. Online freelancing. Freelancers offer their skills and services to clients worldwide. It's convenient. Work from the comfort of your home, choose your clients, and set your rates. Explore platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and showcase skills like writing, graphic design, or programming. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others looking to make money online. Remember, laziness can be a virtue when it leads to smart, efficient ways to make money online.